Good morning to all of you. My name is Devansh Negi. I am the student of class 12B. Today I am going to address my speech on Independence Day. On 15 August 1947, all our freedom fighters and revolutionaries freed our country from the British Empire by putting their lives at stake. So we celebrate this day historically in his memory and honor. Because on this day we got freedom from British rule, which is incomparable. The British government oppressed the people of India for many years and kept us as slaves on the 15th of August. We got freedom from the slavery of the British and we became completely independent. In the relentless pursuit of this freedom, we also lost many great people in our country. Many great people were born in our country who did not even care about their lives for the independence of country and willingly sacrificed for the country. The most important contribution to the independence of our country has been made by Mahatma Gandhi, who forced them to leave India by using weapons like truth and non-violence against British rule. There were many other freedom fighters like Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, etc., who contributed to the independence of India and liberated the country from British slavery. We are very fortunate to have found such great freedom fighters and revolutionaries in history, and they liberated not only the country but also the coming generation from the slavery of British. For this reason, we are free today and we are achieving new achievements day by day. Today, 75 years after independence, our country is moving towards progress in every field. Our country is writing a new chapter every day in different fields like military strength, education, technology, sports, and many other fields. It is writing a new dimension every day. Today, our military strength is equipped with the modern weapons which have the power to annihilate any enemy in the blink of an eye. Today, after independence, we have made a lot of progress in the field of science as well. Due to the scientific technique, India has reached the moon and Mars today. By innovating scientific technology every day, we are taking the country towards new progress. On the occasion of independence, while we are discussing the new dimension of the progress of country, we should never forget the scene of the slavery where our great freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for freedom. Even today, our eyes become moist by remembering those great people. In modern times, we should not forget those great revolutionaries because today we are living in our life freely. The credit goes to these people. Addressing you today on this auspicious occasion, I end my speech by paying respect and tribute to those great revolutionaries. Thank you so much and have a marvelous day ahead.